urgent need to discuss electoral reform. They can do in whichever wording they want. Let us begin a discussion because that is the need of 15 opposition parties this side.
Opposition means not only 4 parties, there are many parties. However,
don't divide us. If you try to divide us, we will be more strong.
चुनाव आयोग द्वारा 12 राज्यों से शुरू की गई मतदान सूची के विशेष गहन पुनरीक्षण के मुद्दे पर संसद के शीतकालीन सत्र के पहले दिन राज्यसभा में जमकर हंगामा हुआ।
People are dying, but throughout country
now
they want to kill the democracy.
No.
सोमवार को कई विपक्षी दलों के सांसदों ने संसद की तय कार्रवाई को रोककर एसआईआर के मुद्दे पर तत्काल चर्चा की मांग की थी। जब सरकार ने इसे स्वीकार नहीं किया तो इस मसले पर तीखी बहस शुरू हो गई। अध्यक्ष और राज्यसभा में विपक्ष के नेता मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने मतदाता सूची के विशेष गहन पुनरीक्षण का मुद्दा उठाते हुए कहा, इसे अन्य मामलों से पहले उठाया जाना चाहिए क्योंकि यह एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दा है। मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने कहा कि एसआईआर का मुद्दा उठाना किसी एक पार्टी या कुछ पार्टियों का फैसला नहीं है। आपको बता दें कि राज्यसभा में एसआईआर पर हंगामा इस कदर बरपा कि बाद में विपक्ष ने वॉकआउट का फैसला भी कर लिया।
Honorable Chairman, sir, thank you for giving this opportunity. I feel
one by one, please. All others sit. Let him speak.
Yesterday we had a discussion. Yesterday, sir, with the Parliamentary Affairs Minister and the leader of the House, Parliamentary Affairs Minister. You were present. All our members from here were present. Sir, we referred a proposal to the government. You were there with us, sir, to let us get into a discussion on the urgent need to discuss electoral reform. They can do in whichever wording they want. Let us begin a discussion because that is the need of 15 opposition parties this side. And let us have a fruitful discussion on this and let the House run. Just 1 minute, sir. एक second. Sir, we gave this proposal in your presence. Congress party was there, DMK was there, all of us, Trinamool was there, all of us were there. And we agreed that whatever the wording be on electoral reform, we can have a discussion. The government was supposed to come back to us. Nobody has come back, but we are ready, sir, for a discussion here and now, and no one wants to disrupt this House, sir.
Yeah. I will ask the Parliamentary Minister to respond.
Derek O'Brien just mentioned, it is fact that yesterday in the Business Advisory Committee, I had given assurance that I will come back with the decision taken on the matter. However, I also had a request that if you have additional matter to be given, because it is opposition means not only 4 parties, there are many parties. However,
12 parties here will want a discussion on election reform.
What is his name? No. Sir. He is the Honorable Minister. No. The Honorable Minister is responding. No, dividing opposition. Oh, 1 minute.
I have no interest in dividing you.
No. He is responding. He is telling he is coming back. He is not saying no. He is not saying no. He is saying he will come back. Let him come back. This is what we have discussed yesterday also. Everybody was there. Yes, please. Others, please sit. Leader of the opposition. Yes.
Sir, it is not 1 party, 2 party, 4 party. It is the decision of all opposition floor leaders. Together we have taken decision. In the morning, in my chamber, we met, all opposition party leaders met, discussed, and we should take this SIR matter first, and otherwise we all will have to protest against this. That's why I request the Parliamentary Affairs Minister don't divide us. If you try to divide us, we will be more strong.
No.
And this is a cheap,
Kharge ji.
sir, cheap gimmick. They are doing it. You can't divide us because we have come with ideological background. It is not like shifting from here there.
Let me put my word. You have asked, and the ministry has responded. He will come back, and he is not rejecting your demand. Let him come back. You should give some time. Let him come back. This is what it has been agreed.
Sir, the last session was washed out completely. There is a trust deficit. We want the assurance. Why? Sir, very humbly, we want Parliament to run. Why doesn't the government want a discussion when everybody here wants a discussion?
No, he is not saying, nah. He is not denying yours. No, please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. The same subject need not be raised by everyone. He has. Tell me.
Sir,
No.
Sir,
By day. I will give you a chance. By day.
Sir, Honorable Chairman, sir, our request to the Honorable Minister is that let him uphold the statement which he made. He said that the government is ready to discuss on electoral reforms. We are telling, by all means, let that be the topic of discussion. We are in agreement. We are in agreement with him.
No.
Yes.
Let him speak.
Yes, we are in
Let him
agreement.
speak.
And there is no division among the opposition parties. All of us are united. And we want this topic, electoral reforms, let him coin the title topic in any way, in any fashion. And let him pick up any rule.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bitto ji.
सर ये गंभीर प्रकरण है न जाने कितने ऑफिसर्स 23 officers have committed suicide under the pressure and this government is seeking time. Even today sir in the morning in Moradabad the officer have committed suicide. How many lives they want to take and do something which is this is not for the first time. Many times the discussion has taken place on election reform. I can quote.
Please, Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, please respond.
Allowed to make proper response, which shows that you are not interested in discussion. While responding to him, I was only halfway to my response. He stood up. Then I would like to leave the entire floor to you, and you keep speaking. Then
I will tell you one thing: when one member is speaking, please don't disturb. I will give everybody chance. Sir, let everybody speak.
I reiterated. I was halfway. I was reiterating what I said, but I will make it clear again. Nobody is undermining any matter which was brought out by the opposition party yesterday in the all-party meeting or BSC or today. What I am saying is, it is under the consideration of the government. If you put a condition that it has to be taken up today itself, then it becomes difficult because you have to give certain space. I only added as an additional point that there were other members who raised other issues also. So it is wrong on your part to say that there is no other issue of other parties. Other than 12 opposition parties, there are other political parties who represent different states. So don't deny the right of others. While putting forward your demand, you have right to put forward. You cannot reject other conditions. However, I am saying again, the matter related to whatever you call it, special intensive revision or electoral reforms or whatever, I have stated before the beginning of the winter session that government is not averse to taking up discussion for anything. But yesterday you were quite considerate. You said that, okay, you can enlarge the topic of discussion. You can make different headline topics. I am not opposed to that. The only thing I am referring to today is please give some time. While there are other business which are listed can be taken up, the demand which you have put forward has not been rejected. So don't presume that government is not ready to discuss on any matter.
So, 1 minute. The same subject again and again, I cannot ask the minister to respond. He has responded it. We have to give some time. Yes, it is agreed in the Business Advisory Committee yesterday that let them come. I let the government come with.
Yesterday, after the BSc meeting was over, after you have left, we discussed with the minister. We also gave the topic and all. He said he would come back to us by 9 p.m. Sir. Now let him tell, not to wait any time, sir. Let him tell sometime. Yesterday he told 9 p.m., but he has not come back to us. We are waiting.
You want to respond? No. You sit down. Sit down. No. You please sit down. Hey, you please sit down. You please sit down. Dada, boozen, Dada. Please, boozen, Dada. No. Please, boozen. Please, boozen. No. Please, boozen. Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, are you in a position to give a time frame?
Once I have already, with the guidance of the Honorable Chairman, I have already stated that we will come back soon. If you insist on the timeline, you can create, the timeline is set by you. I am obliging the direction of the chair. What I'm saying is, once again, please don't put conditions on the timeline. However, I can say that we will try to come back as soon as possible.
The problem is, timeline is not the problem. The problem is a trust deficit. The whole session, they did not have a discussion. How can we trust them? How can we trust them? What timeline? We want a discussion today. What timeline?
No. How we can discuss today?
Sir, it's
even if
a
we discuss
deficit.
to be allowed, it has to be decided by the BSc. Now, you please sit down. Now, Sri Rajendra Gupta.
Honorable Chairman, sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am humbled to speak the first time during tenure as a Member of Parliament. I raise the request to urgent.
Derek ji, this is not the rational. Rajendra Gupta ji, are you addressing or not?
Sir, the urgent operations of Shahid-e-Azam.
Rajendra ji, you address to the chair.
Yeah.
You don't address. Please, my dear.
Sir, urgent operations of Shahid-e-Azam.
Derek ji, you please. Are you, Rajendra ji, are you? I will explain later.
Okay.
Sri Raghav Chanda. Sri Raghav Chanda.
Sir, Chadda.
Jadda. Sri Raghav Chadda. Sadda.
Chadda.
Sadda. Sri Raghav Chadda.
Sir, as much as I wish to address this important issue, the House doesn't seem to be in order.
No, you address to me. I am giving you the chance, you address to me.
But sir, there is a...
No, you are having a mic, you address to me. You address to the House.
Sir.
If you are not addressing, then I have to call others.
Sir, the House is not...
No.
How can I raise this?
No, you can speak now. You are speaking to me now. You should,
No, but
should
sir,
speak.
the House is not in order. Everybody is over speaking.
Now, Raiga Krishnaya. Shri Subhash Chandra Bose Pillai. Shri Subhash Chandra Bose Pillai. Sir, I am allowing you, but you are not allowing the house to run. What I have to do, you tell me. No. This
We want-
nobody. They are not saying. They are not denying. If they are denying,
They
there
will
is.
go, sir. I know. They will go up to 19.
No, you have to wait.
So my request is to you, you allow us to discuss SIR. It is very important issue.
The government-
Not only people are dying, but throughout country,
Now
they want to kill the democracy.
No.
That's what they are doing.
Nothing will go on records. Now, nothing will go on records except Shri Abdul Wahab.
लास्ट सेशन में भी ऐसा ही हुआ था.
Abdul Wahab, are you addressing or not?
And I cannot speak.
No, you can speak whether you want to speak or not.
See, in this, when the house is not in order.
Then Sandeep Kumar Patak.
प्रभात